Did you ever fantasize about being your own boss? Being able to determine your own schedule and constructing something from the ground up? Despite the fact that the spirit of entrepreneurship is infectious, the realities of beginning a business can be absolutely terrifying. There are a million different things to think about, ranging from marketing strategies to legal arrangements. Your financial account, on the other hand, is a factor that is frequently disregarded. It is possible that you believe that any old checking account would suffice, but believe me when I say that you will want a specialized business account for the sake of both your mental health and your financial situation. Now, the question becomes, which bank do you choose? There are a ton of options out there, all promising the best features and the lowest fees. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Sofi, a popular online bank, and see if it's the right fit for your brand new business. Spoiler alert, there's a catch. Sofi doesn't actually offer traditional business accounts, yet. But fear not, aspiring entrepreneur. This video will explore some alternative solutions Sofi offers, as well as explore some other fantastic fintech options specifically designed for business banking. So, grab your notepads, fire up those laptops, and let's navigate the exciting, and sometimes confusing, world of business banking. Why a separate business account matters. Maybe you're thinking, why not just use my regular checking account? It's free, and it works for my personal finances. Here's the thing, while it might seem convenient initially, commingling your business and personal finances can quickly become a nightmare. Imagine tax season. Separating business expenses from personal purchases becomes a major headache. Not to mention, it can look unprofessional to vendors and clients if you're sending invoices from an account with your dog's name on it. A dedicated business account offers a clear separation. It allows you to track income and outgoings more easily, making bookkeeping a breeze. It also establishes a professional image, and some business accounts even offer features specifically designed to help your startup grow. Sofi for business, not quite there, but getting close. So, Sofi doesn't have business accounts. But that doesn't mean they can't be part of your financial toolkit. Here's the good news, Sofi offers some fantastic personal banking options that can be incredibly beneficial for new businesses. Their checking account boasts a very competitive APY, which means you can actually earn interest on your business funds sitting in the account. That might not seem like much, but every penny counts, especially in the early stages. Sofi also offers a feature called vaults. Think of them as virtual sub-accounts within your main checking account. This allows you to easily set aside funds for specific business goals, like marketing campaigns or upcoming tax payments. Now, while Sofi can't replace a dedicated business account, it can certainly be a helpful stepping stone for your new venture. Sofi Alternatives, FinTech takes the lead. Alright, so Sofi isn't the perfect solution. But fear not. The world of fintech, or financial technology, is booming, and there are a ton of fantastic options specifically designed for business banking. Here are a few to consider. Novo, this online bank offers free business checking with unlimited transactions, mobile check deposits, and integrations with popular accounting software. Brex, known for its generous debit card limits and rewards programs, Brex caters to startups and high-growth businesses. Lily, designed specifically for freelancers and solopreneurs, Lily offers budgeting tools, tax categorization, and free bill pay. These are just a few examples, and the best option for you will depend on the specific needs of your business. Do your research, compare features and fees, and find the bank that best complements your entrepreneurial journey. Final thoughts and farewell. Remember, a strong financial foundation is crucial for any business. Taking the time to choose the right bank account can save you a lot of stress and hassle down the line. Sofi, while not a perfect fit, can be a useful tool for managing your business finances initially. But the world of fintech offers a wealth of options specifically designed to empower your entrepreneurial spirit. So get out there, explore your choices, and pick the bank that will help your business soar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.